Hey girl, hey. Oh, let me take my glasses off. Hey girl, hey, it's me again. So I just wanted to come on real quick and let you know what we got going on today. So this morning I just got up, cooked breakfast, made breakfast for the family since it was a cold day, and child, nobody was going outside for real, for real. So I made breakfast, and then I wanted to get my nightstands organized in our bedroom, because when I see pictures of people nightstand, they be having 2 and 3 things on their nightstand, and child, I got 11,000 things on my nightstand, and my husband, he probably got double that. So I wanted to try and get that under control. So we're gonna do a little organization process with that, so y'all come along for that process as well, and hopefully it gives you guys some inspiration to want to jizz up or whatever you got to do to your bedroom to make it work for you, and convenient for you. I just like the fact that I can, when I roll over, all that I need is right there for me. So that's what I'm hoping to accomplish from getting these nightstands organized. So yeah, y'all just come along for the process, child, and we're gonna work it out together. See you in a minute. All right, y'all. So like I said, this morning we're going to go ahead and get breakfast started. But as you can see, the kitchen has not been cleaned from the night before. Don't judge me. This was previous last night. We went to see Black Panther. You know that movie was long. So by the time we got home, child, we weren't cleaning up nothing to do or nothing. We went straight to bed. So I can't cook unless the kitchen clean. So I'm going to get that together first. And then we'll just get some breakfast going for the family. And then we'll get into getting those nightstands organized. You think you got it, but got it, just don't get it if there's nothing at all. We've been together, oh, we've been together, but separate's always better when there's feelings involved. It's what they say is. Okay, so on this day, we went ahead and made some pancakes, scrambled some eggs and grits, and had some bacon cooking in the oven. And I think I mentioned it before, but when I make pancakes, I don't buy the box pancake mix. I don't know what that's about. I just feel like if you got you some flour and sugar at the house, you can pretty much make anything with that. So I always keep that on deck, and I just make up my own pancake mix here, and that's what was done here. And these were some fluffy pancakes. I love this recipe. This is the one I'm always use. And then I'm just here making some grits for my husband because he doesn't eat eggs. All right, so of course now we finished cooking breakfast. We got to clean up them dishes before we serve breakfast, because that's also a beautiful thing when you can sit down and eat and look over and see that your kitchen is clean. You ain't got no type of anxiety going on. It's a beautiful thing. So I clean up before if I have to, and definitely while I'm cooking, so it's less work to do once we're finished eating, and then you have to do the complete clean of the kitchen. So that's what's going on right here.
I wanna dance with you. I wanna dance with you. I wanna dance with you.
All right, y'all. So let's get into these nightstands. So I'm just pretty much showing you how it was before I started. A hot mess. I had to blur out my husband's nightstand when I opened the drawers. Child, he had all kind of check stubs and all kind of papers up in there with addresses and everything on it. So I unfortunately couldn't show you how it looked before. Just believe me when I say it was a hot mess. Both of them were. It wasn't even just on him. Both of them were a hot mess. So as you saw in the little clip before, I got those little cube organizers that you insert into the drawer organizers from Home Goods. Everything I got was from Home Goods. I did have to go to two separate Home Goods to get them, but Home Goods had what I needed. So that's the stuff that I used to organize the both of our nightstands.
24 hours, I need more hours with you. You spent the weekend getting even. Ooh. You spent the late nights making things right between us. But now it's all good, babe. Roll that backward, babe, and let me close. 'Cause girls like you run around with guys like you till sundown. When I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Girls like you love fun and yeah, me, you what I want. When I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you. I need a girl. I need a girl like you. 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 Last night on the last flight to you, I took a whole day up, trying to get way up. Ooh. We spent the daylight trying to make things right between us. But now it's all good, babe. Roll that backward, babe, and let me close. Yeah, 'cause girls like you run around with guys like you till sundown. When I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Maybe I'm barely alive. Maybe you're taking my shit for the last time. Yeah. Maybe I know that I'm drunk. Maybe I know you're the one. Maybe I'm thinking it's better if you drive. Oh, 'cause girls like you run around with guys like me till sundown. When I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah.
Not too long ago, I was dancing for dollars. No, it's really real if I let you meet my mama. You don't want a girl like me, I'm too crazy. For every other girl you meet is too gazy. I'm sure them other girls were nice enough, but you need someone to spice it up. So who you gonna call, Cardi? Come and rev it up like a
Okay, so in a moment you'll see the finished product and how everything looked for both nightstands after it was all organized. So if you made it to the end of the video, I just want to thank you for sticking around with your girl while we get these nightstands together. And again, I hope it gave you some type of inspiration if you need to get your nightstands in order. So I just want to say I hope that you have a blessed day, a blessed week, wherever you are in the day. And we'll do it again next time. Be blessed. All right, y'all, so this is the finished product, and let me just tell you that I just love waking up in the morning, rolling over to an organized nightstand. It's a beautiful thing. So this is basically what we have in there. Lotion, perfume, of course chapsticks. It looks like I'm a chapstick collector, so I don't know what's going on with that. Cough drops, fingernail clippers, some little sample perfumes, and then my watches. I have two smart watches, the Fossil, well, that's the Fossil and the Samsung Galaxy, and then I have some what is it, y'all? Cuticle oil that I keep, for nighttime when I want to oil my cuticles. And then in the back I have some chargers, and then just some little lotion and knick-knack things in the back that I keep. So that's basically what I have here. In my bottom drawer I do have some books that I'm either reading or have read or need to finish reading. And those are all my watch bands in the back that I just keep here for organization, and then my lotion and candles that I use pretty much daily, so they'll stay here. And we'll mosey on over to my husband's side. Okay, and this is how his side looks. It's a little bit. Now, keeping it real, his side, when he come home, child, he take everything out of his pocket, throw it on the nightstand, and I have to organize it daily. Okay, so on his nightstand, he just has this bowl where he keeps all his keys. And child, this little sentimental bottle. He's a Kobe lover, so we went to LA one year and he got that out of LA, and so we just kept that for sentimental value. And this is how his side looks. He has his chapstick, and he wears those rubber wedding bands, to change up the different colors what he got on. So we got a collection of those there, plus his real wedding ring that he doesn't wear to work because he's an electrician. And he has some keys in the bag, some chargers, remote controls, and a pocket knife. And those are the things that he keeps in here. And the bottom stuff is just really storage. He has a massager, his Beats headphones that he uses when he goes to the gym, and these were all just extra things that were laying around, additional chargers, his watch bands that he uses. And yeah, that's pretty much it.